DNA, composed of 4 nucleotides, holds the code for making proteins, the components of our cells that perform the work and provide the cell structure. DNA does this in our cells and, in fact, in every other living cell, whether it's a bacterium, a bear, or a begonia. DNA is the code, and by itself, it's just a code. Just like these notes are just a code until they're translated into sound. In order for cells to function, the DNA information has to be transcribed and translated. Transcription, synthesizing messenger RNA from DNA, is like taking the DNA storage file of information and making a copy from it you can use and edit, kind of like recording music. Messenger RNA then takes the DNA information to the ribosomes. Once in contact with the ribosomes, translation occurs, similar to the way this music has been converted to a computer file. Ribosomes read the 3 base codes, and transfer RNA molecules bring the corresponding amino acids. This process continues, and proteins are made. Sometimes changes occur in the DNA sequence. These changes are called mutations, and they can make a big difference. When mutations happen, they produce genetic variety. The more genetic variety, the better a species' chances for survival, which is good if you're a microbe trying to cope in a changing world. In bacteria, the effects of mutation are seen more frequently because generations pass more quickly, and new traits can be passed to many offspring. But there are mechanisms for repair of DNA that have evolved, making mutations rare events. Cells have several enzymes that can detect errors in the DNA sequence. During replication, if the wrong nucleotide is inserted and the nucleotide codes don't zip up just right, enzymes fix it. They recognize errors in the DNA sequence and replace incorrect nucleotides with the right ones. But every once in a while, one will slip by. It's really rare, about 1 mutation every 100 million times of replication. Most of the time, the mutations that occur present a problem of some sort, and the cells don't survive or pass on the change. Occasionally, a mutation will be beneficial for an organism, as in the case of antibiotic resistance for bacteria.